It is the third day here at Expo 2020 Dubai, where Kenya has been celebrating National Day with visits by President Uhuru Kenyatta and his high-level trade delegation to discuss business opportunities that are available in Kenya, as well as ensure that Kenyan products have access to the Gulf Cooperation Council countries as the country looks to grow its export base. Now we spoke to Trade Cabinet Secretary Betty Maina on what transpired today, and this is what she had to say.
I think it's been very exciting for us being present here in Dubai at the World Expo 2020. We've been here since October when it opened, and we'll be here until the end of March when it closes, because it's a period of 6 months. But for Kenya, we had our National Day on the 16th of February. We were very honored to have His Excellency the President join us and showcase the day. But for us as Kenya, it wasn't just the morning of 16th of February. We've had a series of activities this week, because our presence at the Expo is not to sell goods just during these 6 months, but to sell the country, sell the brand, make people more aware of our country, and that's been really achieved at the pavilion. It's been mostly digital. It is digital, but people go away with a lot more images than we just had a few products. Now, in addition, for this week, the Kenya Week, we've also had specific business forums where we focused on the goods that we grow in Kenya that can be sold in this region. Given the fact that this is the Gulf, we have clearly focused on food, whether it's meat, whether it is milk, vegetables. We've also focused on flowers, we focused on nuts, all the products that Kenya is good at and can be sold in this region. And the business engagements we've had is very, very encouraging that we can expand our share of the pie in this part of the world. Met with a Russian investor or Russian company that is a large company in their country in edible oil. They have an interest in expanding their foothold into East Africa. At present, their interest is obviously trading, because that's how you enter a market, but we're encouraging them to also consider setting up a refining plant in Kenya, setting up a firm to grow their raw materials. So those are conversations that we will continue to nurture over the coming days.
Just to encourage Kenyans to come and invest in Dubai. There are lots of opportunities for investment. We are also encouraging investors from Dubai to come and invest in Kenya. We as Kenya Investment Authority are willing to hold your hand and to take you through the journey of investment. We have a one-stop center at Kenya Investment Authority with different agencies that help in facilitation of investments. Yes, so we encourage all of you to just come and visit us. We'll walk you through the journey. We'll show you the investment opportunities that are available. We also have aftercare services after you register your investments with us.
The ball is now in Kenya's court as the country looks to tap into investments that will ensure the country grows economically and SMEs have access to this competitive market. Reporting for Channel 1 from Dubai, United Arab Emirates, I'm Ronald Owili.